eyes on agent. Every time I roll up, my eyes turn Asian. Sneak distance, be quiet, cause you know I'm on fire. And your girlfriend for hire, but I ain't buying that higher. Yeah, my eyes on agent. Yeah, my eyes on agent. Every time I roll up, my eyes turn Asian. Sneak distance, be quiet, cause you know I'm on fire. And your girlfriend for hire, but I ain't buying that higher. Yeah, my eyes on agent, so you know I've been smoking. Like 8 Mile, I'm choking. Yeah, your girlfriend, she choking. And her eyes kinda low, like she been smoking that potent. Don't fuck with hoes, but they going. Niggas talking, they hoeing. I don't just talk, man, I do it. She say, Joe, can you screw it? Like that screw that you screwed in. She say, Joe, are you clueless? I said, no, I'm the realest. I'm the realest, like Trillis. She say, Joe, you a villain. How I am a villain. Radio be on kill shit. Like, lil' hurt, lil' bitch. My eyes on Asian. Yeah, my eyes on Asian. Every time I roll up, my eyes turn Asian. Sneak distance, be quiet, cause you know I'm on fire. And your girlfriend for hire, but I ain't buying that higher. Yeah, my eyes on Asian. Yeah, my eyes on Asian. Yeah, my eyes on Asian.
What it do, you too? Today's video, I want to talk about the more work you put in for the kingdom of the Most High, the more satanic demons become obsessed with you. Let me say it again. The more work you put in for the kingdom of the Most High, the kingdom of God, Jesus, Buddha, Allah, you know, whatever name you go by, right? As long as it's an entity that represents the light, the more work you put in for the Most High, or the Elohim, or the universe, whatever titles you go by, the more satanic demons become obsessed with you. So people probably saying, what the fuck does that mean? So basically what I'm saying is, so you know how I'm putting out these videos and I'm actually spreading the word. See, some people look at it as in, they look at things from a surface level. Oh, look at this dude talking shit. You don't know what you're talking about. That is a satanic reptilian right there. But you also have some people that were like, who is this dude? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, he's swearing and cursing and talking a certain way. I'm a messenger. Don't ever tell the messenger how to relay a message. Because when you mess with a messenger, that's when your ass get fucked up. Straight up. Anyway, people look at it from a surface level. They're not looking at it from a spiritual level. When you put in work for the Creator, see, people think, let me break something down. See, people think that they got this fucked up concept of God and the devil in their head. They think the devil is supposed to be some gay lizard that's painted red. They got horns and little booty shorts on or some weird shit. Then you got people who think that God or angels are supposed to be sticks in the mud, that we love Jesus. No, it don't work like that, motherfucker. Welcome to the real world. Blessings come in unusual forms. Angels come in unusual forms. Everything in this world is upside down. Angels usually come in a monstrous looking form. They come looking like homeless people. They could come looking like wild animals. They can come looking like a gang member or anybody. Like, some people might see me and be like, who the fuck is, like, they might think I'm trying to attack them just because of my hair. Like, they look at it from a surface level. Oh, this is a hoodlum or something. The whole time they don't even know I'm a blessing in an unusual form that has come to spread the message of the Most High, to raise the consciousness level of the people. So the more I put out videos and the more I raise the consciousness of the people, the more these demonic entities get attracted and obsessed to you. Because you ever notice, you will block one of these entities and they keep making fake profiles. That is called a gay centipede. When you block somebody and they keep making pages to watch you, that is a gay centipede. Okay? And these things are from hell. And Tiario got a video on that too. Shout out Tiario too. Again, shout him out again. He got a video about that shit too. He got some deep information. Go check out Tiario website, Tiario. Check him out on YouTube. He got some deep videos too. Centipedes and spiders and all those bugs are bugs from hell, so to speak. And ladybugs and bumblebees and what's another good bug? Dragonflies, like shit like that is insects that represent the Most High. And I know some people gonna say, why are you trying to split them up? No, this world is a duality. You have good, you have evil. These entities are taking notes. Just like how you got angels or messengers taking notes of you on the higher realm that you can't see, you have demonic entities taking notes as well, and they get obsessed with you. That's why they keep making more pages to see what you're doing. See, we live in a world, everything is backwards. When people don't like you, they watch your videos anyway. You see what I'm saying? If I don't like somebody, I'm not watching that motherfucker. That's period. But that's because those are satanic gay centipedes that are obsessed with you. The more work you put in for the creator, the more these obsessed reptilians come to you. So for example, like I said, angels come in monstrous looking forms. People think they come all white with a halo and voguing and shit. No. They come in monstrous looking forms. They come in unusual forms. Demons come in very beautiful forms. They come in very, nice dressing forms. They come in very slick talking, manipulative forms. They can slick talk you and, try to flip your words around and shit. This is what these entities do. You know what I'm saying? And they don't stand for anything. You see what I mean? And how to know if this person is a satanic centipede is they usually always, like, for example, if it's anybody that represents the light, like I said, they could be in the music industry, they could be in football, they could be a lawyer, doctor, anything. And they represent the light, like they have a good soul. Like, for example, I'm gonna give you an example. So, Burner, from the owner of Cookies, if you watch his videos, you can clearly see he got a glow around him. And he in the cannabis business, he rap too or whatever, right? But you can see he has a glow around him. You can see, he represents the Most High. You know what I'm saying? And if you watch, he still has demons that keep trying to send, just keep trying to say shit to him. Like, you just read the comments and shit. Motherfuckers just be trying to, they try to start something with you. You see what I'm saying? Like, they attracted to your light. They attracted to anybody who has a light. You see what I'm saying? And Burner and his crew, to me, they never did nothing weird or no Illuminati shit. To me, they, they always been solid, just like Taylor Gang. Shout out Taylor Gang. I said this years ago. Taylor Gang is like one of the only groups in music that I haven't seen no weird shit happen to nobody in their group. They still got the same people in their group, which is good. You know what I'm saying? Because usually, motherfucker end up dying mysteriously or some shit like that. But Burner Crew and Taylor Gang is the only crews nothing weird ever happened to them. So you could use them, for example, as they have that light. You know what I'm saying? Like, they stand for good vibes. You know what I'm saying? They rap about smoking weed and stuff like that. Some people may think that's evil, but that's not. Like I said, we live in a duality world where angels come in a mysterious form. And you got these demons, they come in just different forms, and they always just trying to throw shade at one of these individuals. Oh, you can do this, you can do that, you haven't did this, you haven't did that. See, that's because these, like I said, these are these satanic demons. They are attracted and obsessed to anybody that has light. You see what I'm saying? That's why I was using them as that example. Those two groups, Burner Group and Taylor Gang, is the only two groups to me that I never seen no weird shit happen. You want to call it Illuminati, you can, or whatever you want to call it. I never seen no weird shit happen to any of those two groups. Like, everybody in those groups seems solid. You know what I'm saying? From the outside looking in. And like I said, they attract more hate. I guarantee you could probably ask them this. They attract more hate than the average person because the average rapper is more satanic. And satanic people attract to satanic people. You see what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. So the more work you put in for the creator, right? They, like I said, Taylor Gang, they rap about good vibes and shit. They probably don't know that, but that's putting in work for the creator. Because they could easily rap about, like, they might say a couple references for, like, gangs and shit like that. But you gotta look at the rappers who rap about demonic shit constantly and people who switch their style up. See, demons attack people who represent the light. When you rapping about positive vibes, smoking weed, and having peace, demons don't like that. They're gonna try to do whatever they can to break up your group, or they're gonna do whatever they can to just fuck with your mind. You see what I'm saying? Real shit. And it's the same shit that be happening to me. I represent the light. You know what I'm saying? You can clearly see my aura around me. And these demonic entities keep on, like, even all my life, like, demonic entities would try to start something with me out of everybody. It's like 20 people here and they just pick me. You see what I'm saying? Like, they obsessed with your light. You see what I'm saying? You come in an unusual form. These demons can come in forms of savvy business people or big business people. You know what I'm saying? But they come always looking very good. And if you represent the light, you can represent the light and don't even know. When I say light, I mean represent the Most High. And you could be doing good work, you know what I'm saying? Your work speaks for itself. You know what I'm saying? You actually an honorable person. These demons are going to send non-honorable people amongst your crew. Like I said, these are satanic centipedes or satanic agents. They send these agents to people who represent the light, and they use them to infiltrate their light, which is they infiltrate their light codes, which means they infiltrate information from these people. And they try to use that to get inside their mind and mess with their head, or they use that to try to break up their group, because these demons are obsessed with bringing down good people. I'm telling you, good people go through the worst shit. Like, sometimes good people just go through bad stuff, but you have a lot of demons that's behind this. They try to bash everything they do. All that shit ain't good enough. You could have did better than that. All this shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, these entities do that. Anything you do, they are going to try to counteract it. So you have to be aware of that. The more work you put in for the Most High, the more you try to change your life, the more you become aware, the more satanic centipedes infiltrate you. Think about this before I end this video. Think about this shit. You ever had that point in your life where you got scared to death, or you've seen something, or a death in your family, or even a wedding, something hit you so hard where it set you down and you actually thought about your life? And when you tried to elevate and you said, I'm going to do something different with my life, a satanic person called you to distract you, to throw you off that vibration. Tell me I'm lying. Or you trying to do something, you're like, all right, I'm going to actually sit down and take care of this shit I got to do. And the satanic insect, you know, might post something or something to throw you off your game. Tell me I'm lying. It always happens all the time. It's because the more work you put in for the Most High, the more obsessed these satanic agents become, and the more they try to destroy your life. Real shit. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon.